Oh, don't do that.
Oh,
Don't do that.
no, God!
Oh, why?
No.
Oh. Dahlia just committed a federal offense, I think, in New York City.
Yeah.
You gonna let these ingredients stop you now? 30 minutes on the big clock. Time starts now.
My plan is Truffle's gonna be the star of this dish. I'm making a truffle popcorn fried chicken with a purple cauliflower puree.
Alicia has some mushrooms on her station. She took about 3 tablespoons of truffle oil.
No, she didn't.
She did. She took about put it in a saute pan to saute those mushrooms.
It's a flavor, not a cooking oil.
Alicia has used about 8 tablespoons of truffle oil so far.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
I'm worried because I never tasted the truffle oil. Did you taste the truffle at all?
Yeah, we got it. We got it. We got it.
It's a very big flavor profile here. I don't know what was left in the truffle oil bottle when you were done. I think you made history. You made chopped truffle oil history.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
I'm looking over at the judges after I added the truffle oil to the dish, and they just went like, oh my God, no way.
Chef Juan Carlos, what have you made?
What I did for y'all today was brandy, spiked sausage, and waffles. And then on top, simple kumquat syrupy sauce to go with it.
But I really wish you had skipped the truffle oil. A soy marinated beef shank, that has a very strong flavor of its own, which are fighting, and it's leaving me confused.
I have that effect on people sometimes.
And now your dish does too.
So I'm going to make a warm quinoa salad and a pan-seared steak. I run to the pantry and I grab the truffle oil.
Dolly, run.
Under a minute now, chefs. Under a minute.
Okay, Dahlia just committed a federal offense, I think, in New York City.
Yeah.
She just put truffle oil on the steak. I mean, that's a crime. It overtakes everything.
My issue is there's so much truffle oil, and you drown the steak in truffle oil. It just doesn't work with the quinoa at all.
What's this? Ooh, truffle. I want to use truffle oil for the asparagus.
Oh, no. I think Jackie used truffle oil.
Oh, God.
I love truffle oil, but it can be very dominant.
Oh, I just hope she's not overdoing it.
Truffles is an acquired taste, but a little drop in the asparagus is going to be really nice.
I kind of hate white truffle oil. I think it always has a terrible flavor, but for some reason with this dish, it's actually okay.
The gutsiest thing I'm gonna do in this round is go grab some root veg and make a hash. I've only got 20 minutes. Who cooks that on the stovetop in 20 minutes? And then I go get some truffle oil for earthiness.
Oh my God, Corey brought truffle oil.
Oh, no.
I'm excited. My dish I prepared for you today is a pan-roasted corned beef steak over a root vegetable hash.
I don't like the truffle oil. I mean, if it were up to me, I think they should incinerate that product.
I'm going to make cranberry soaked madeleine with broccoli flour puree and sea urchin. So I get a pan on, throw in some onions, some garlic, the basil, throw it in the blender, hint of truffle. When I add truffle oil to a dish, it really takes it over the top.
This is a beautiful, beautiful dish.
I feel like the truffle oil kind of takes away from the sea urchin.
I agree.
Truffle oil, I felt like almost ruined the dish.
I'm gonna make a warm noodle salad with chili chicken and sesame avocado. So I decided that I am going to take the brown avocado, cube it up, and saute it up with a little bit of sesame oil. It will kick up some of the sesame flavor of the noodle.
Actually, I want to love this dish, but all I can taste is sesame oil. Not a good choice.
That's, to me, the truffle oil's evil twin.
Jay is shopping in the pantry with 30 seconds left.
I know I don't have time to make a sauce. So I say, okay, where's the white truffle oil?
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh, no, God!
Immediately, I get a no from the judges.
It's like a felony offense to put white truffle on something just as an afterthought.
If I had to go home because of lack of a sauce, I'd be devastated.
And chefs, 2 minutes left on that clock.
So right now, I'm thinking I got this beautiful mushroom sauce, and when I see mushrooms, I immediately think truffle. I'm drizzling it just so lightly to make sure that it didn't overpower the whole dish.
So, of course, truffle oil can be very overpowering. You've got to use it sparingly, if at all.
I'm looking at the bottle of the truffle. I used more than I should have. I may have just gotten myself into trouble.
I like the mushrooms on top, but it's muddled because of the usage of the truffle oil.
You almost did too much here. You know, I think it's really important and let the other flavors shine because it does get muddy.
Something alarming just happened. It looks like Jeremiah just went and got the truffle oil. Truffle oil with smoked oysters, with pumpkin pie. Yeah, it just keeps going.
Sensory overload.
Whew. There's a lot going on.
Yep, strong stuff there. This is definitely layer after layer of flavors. You've got the cream, you've got the white truffle, oyster, turkey, bacon, mushroom, and celery, and you got pumpkin pie in here.
But it's, all of these flavors are really conflicting.
You went a little too far.
I'm making pan-seared monkfish with cowboy candy, cupcake, stuffed squash blossom, and a cowboy candy reduction. I want to finish the dish with some sesame oil.
Is this sesame oil?
Oh, why? No, did he really?
Yeah.
I like the bacon, winey reduction sauce that you did, but I think you ruined it with sesame oil. It was like, what happened? And it was like, we have chefs, we say at the last minute, 3, 2, 1, don't go get the truffle oil.
Time's up.
Oh my God.
That was that.
We
moment.
have a new one now. Don't go get the sesame oil.
Yeah.